Hi folks, I just wanted to give everybody an update on the appeal filed by the state of New Jersey regarding LEOSA. So I've done a few videos on LEOSA versus the New Jersey RPO in the past, and I urge you to view them if you want more information. As a way of background, New Jersey has long required retired law enforcement who live in New Jersey who want to carry handguns for protection to get the New Jersey RPO, which the RPO stands for the Retired Police Officer Permit to Carry. It's a program that was started in New Jersey many years ago, and it requires a background check, it requires a fee, and until recently, it was only good for a year. Now it's good for 2 years, but it was a $50 fee, and it required you get fingerprinted. If you didn't get fingerprinted before, it required a complete background check every year if you were retired law enforcement and you lived in New Jersey. New Jersey was sued, the state of New Jersey was sued by New Jersey FOP and FLEOA, Federal Law Enforcement Officers Association, and New Jersey lost. So back in June of 2022, Federal District Judge Karashi ruled that LEOSA is the law of the land, basically. LEOSA preempts, LEOSA stands for Law Enforcement Officer Safety Act, and it's an act by Congress that says that if you're a qualified law enforcement, retired law enforcement, or active duty law enforcement, you can carry in all 50 states. There are certain qualifications you have to meet. If you do qualify, you don't need a permit for each state that you travel to, and for active duty or retired. New Jersey has not recognized LEOSA for law enforcement that reside in New Jersey that are retired. They have recognized it for out-of-state law enforcement that come into New Jersey, but not for New Jersey's resident retired law enforcement. So that's what this lawsuit was about. New Jersey lost. Judge Karashi said, not only do you not have to get the RPO if you don't want it, if you're qualified under LEOSA and you live in New Jersey, you can carry under LEOSA. You can also carry hollow point ammunition. Judge Karashi ordered this back in June of 2022. New Jersey, of course, appealed, and yesterday, in the Federal 3rd District Court of Appeals in Philadelphia. And again, thank you to New Jersey FOP members and FLEOA who have been continuing this fight for retired law enforcement in New Jersey, who live in New Jersey. So thank you. A big thank you goes out to those individuals who are updating us and are showing up at these court proceedings. So yesterday, we were given a summary, and we were told that it looks very good for retired police officers who live in New Jersey and want to carry under LEOSA. There were several things that were brought up. There was a panel of judges that heard the appeal from both sides, and they had concerns, according to the summary that was provided to us, they had concerns about New Jersey's restrictions that they put on retired law enforcement, such as the age restriction, because in New Jersey, you can only get the RPO once you reach age 75. You can't get the RPO anymore. Under LEOSA, there's no age restriction. So they were concerned about that. They were also concerned about New Jersey's other restrictions that they put on LEOSA, such as hollow point ammunition. According to the members that were there, the questions that were asked look very good in our favor, meaning retired law enforcement who live in New Jersey and want to carry under LEOSA. Apparently, Deputy Attorney General Chen for the state of New Jersey was arguing that the retired identification issued by chiefs of police, he didn't think the police should be trusted or given the ability to issue those identification cards because in his opinion they were no more than courtesy cards, and there was no way to determine if someone was not qualified under LEOSA and got a ID card. Possibly keep an eye out in the future for the state trying to regulate who gets a retired ID and who doesn't, because under LEOSA, as we know, if you look at the requirements, one of the main requirements under LEOSA is that you have to have an identification issued from your agency that you retire from. So that ID shows that you were a qualified law enforcement officer and you retired in good standing. If you don't have that ID, then that's a huge part of qualifying under LEOSA. State of New Jersey knows that, so they're trying to attack the issuing of those retired credentials. So we're told that it could take several months for the panel to come to a final decision on this appeal matter. So until then, in New Jersey, if you are a retired law enforcement officer living in New Jersey and you qualify under LEOSA, you can carry under LEOSA, concealed carry, you can carry hollow point, and you don't have to get the New Jersey RPO. Now, I've done videos on the advantages of the RPO. So the LEOSA is only for concealed carry for personal protection. It is not if you want to work armed security or you need to carry openly for armed work, for example. So if you need to do that for a job, you need to get either a permit to carry or the RPO, the New Jersey RPO. But if you don't need to work and you don't need to carry openly and you just want to carry for protection, you can carry under LEOSA if you qualify in New Jersey. Thank you again to New Jersey FOP and also the FLIOA, Federal Law Enforcement Officers Association, for continuing this fight for retired law enforcement who live in New Jersey and want to carry under LEOSA. I'll try to keep everybody up to date as I receive information regarding this appeal, but it does look good for retired law enforcement living in New Jersey who want to carry under LEOSA. We'll have to see what happens with the appeal decision, but it looks good so far. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.